Morning, a woman in Pueblo has been paying her mortgage for nearly 2 years, even though she can't safely live in her home. Her mom reached out to me, hoping that we could help get some answers and accountability. What she's going through right now is a nightmare, but it shines a light on the action that you can take as a homeowner so this doesn't happen to you.
My grandpa bought us our house.
Rocky Varela was holding back tears as she shared how she was able to purchase her first home in Pueblo about 2 years ago.
My grandpa saved for me through his life, and he passed, and I used the money to buy this house.
The home had an old gravity furnace and the ducts needed cleaning, so she called a professional.
He said that he could not clean the ducts because they were asbestos wrapped, and looked at the furnace, saw that it was a little rusted on the inside, so at that point suggested updating, doing a whole new furnace, and that way they could clean the ductwork.
Rocky received an estimate from the company on January 10th, 2024, with work starting a few days later on January 15th. Something I wanted to point out, the estimate included terms and conditions. We always recommend looking over these, but a lawyer I spoke to says something else you can do is run each section of a contract through AI so you have a better understanding of what you're signing, asking the AI source to put it in layman's terms. Rocky agreed to pay about $30,000 through a loan for the work. Work, she says, turned her life upside down. When did you realize something was wrong?
After I came home the first day, because I came home and no plastic was put up, nothing was separated.
January 23rd, 2024, Rocky tells me asbestos testing was ordered by the company doing the work.
We did get the results, and that all of the wipe test surfaces that he tested all came back positive in every room.
A document I obtained from the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment confirmed Rocky's fear. January 24th of 2024, a major asbestos spill. Rocky said at first, the company that did the work helped them out by putting them in a hotel for 11 days. But then she tells me the help and the communication stopped.
Hagrid. He's our boy cat.
Since early 2024, Rocky and her boyfriend Caleb Diaz have been living with friends.
It feels like it's crippling us a little bit, right? It's taking a toll on everybody. And at the end of the day, I think something should be done, and I just want something to be done.
Rocky tells me they tried to seek legal help, but the document they signed with the company that did the work prevents them from filing a lawsuit. An arbitration must take place in Broward County, Florida.
I just want the abatement. I just want this to be covered to get back in my house.
I learned through the state that the property owner needs to take action following an asbestos spill. It's up to the property owner to submit a permit application to complete the abatement work, something Rocky tells me she's now doing nearly 2 years after the spill. Insurance won't cover the spill, and Rocky can't afford the more than $40,000 it will cost to take care of the asbestos problem. I'm choosing not to name the company that did the work at this time. A representative with that company tells me that Rocky stopped contacting them, and that's why nothing moved forward. But Rocky tells me that's not the case. Right now, I'm hoping to bring attention to this and get the HVAC company to take action.